Welcome to the Cross-Examined Truth, where sermons get fact-checked and cult logic gets roasted like lechon sa pista. Today's guest on the hot seat, Daniel Rayson, part-time preacher, full-time dodger of direct answers. Let's set the scene. His late mentor, Eliseo Soriano, allegedly ran a liquor-selling, nightclub-owning operation in Brazil. Not a metaphor, an actual nightclub. And Daniel? He knew. Did he speak up? Investigate? Condemn it? Nope. He sat quietly on his throne of SUVs, land titles, and designer suits. And now that people are asking questions, his defense is to bust out a courtroom. Analogy like he's auditioning for Judge Judy, Doctrinal Edition. He who alleges must prove, he says. Why should I prove that I didn't do it? Ikaw ang nagkakusa. Sounds solid. Until you actually listen to what he said next. He lays out this long-winded skit about murder cases. Kung murder ang kaso at sinabi mong self-defense, ikaw na ngayon ang magpapatunay na self-defense yon. Exactly, Daniel. So why, when the murder is a spiritual crime, complicity in corruption, silence over sin, suspicious wealth, you suddenly forget your own analogy? The moment you claim, hindi ako ang gumawa, pero may katwiran, you're already participating in the defense. That means you owe people an explanation. But instead, all we get are sermons with Bible verses, distracting side characters like Kapatid na Rodel, and circular reasoning dressed up in robes. Let's keep going. You're accused of benefiting from Soriano's Brazilian businesses. We see the land, the farms, the mansion. You claim it's all charity work, but people are being told to voluntarily donate $2,500 to P25,000 for concerts. You say, don't slander. But your people are out here saying critics should have their faces boiled in hell. And then there's this. Bakit ko patutunayan na hindi ako guilty? Because kuya, once the evidence is laid out, videos, testimony, property records, the burden shifts. That's your own logic. You said it. You just don't follow it. This isn't about hate. This is about truth. And you don't get to rewrite courtroom procedure just because this time you're in the defendant's chair. Like, subscribe and send this to your teacher who thinks church loyalty means ignoring red flags the size of Brazil. Smash that bell icon before they turn your silence into spiritual consent. You wanted cross-examination, Daniel. You got it. Court adjourned.
Dapat napakinggan di lalo naman yung chismis na walang batayan, ano? Sasabihin mo, patunayan mo na hindi ganito, patunayan mo na hindi ganon, patunayan mo. Ba't ako mapatunay? Di ikaw magpatunay ng binibintang mo, kundi ka ba naman, di ba?
Opo, yeah.
Kasi, alam mo, madaling mag-imbento, kapatid na Rodel. Kaya alam mo yung sabi, ano ba dapat ikaso dito? Sabi ko nga sa kanila, ang kaso dyan, ganito. Demanda mo ng murder. Dinimanda ng murder. Sabi naman noong idinimanda ng murder, kapatid na Rodel, yan self-defense yan. Yun ang sagot niya. Self-defense daw.
Opo.
Ano ngayon ang mangyayari sa iyo? Self-defense. Patutunayan mo ngayon na self-defense yun.
Opo.
Pag ikaw nagkaso, unaccused, kapatid na Rodel, ang sinasabi nga nila is always presumed innocent unless proven otherwise. And you must be proven guilty beyond reasonable doubt. Nakita mo, kapatid na Rodel?
Opo.
Ngayon, sinabi sa'yo, murder yan dahil kitang-kita sa video, binaril mo. Pinagtatalunan nila yan, Kitang-kita sa video, binaril mo. At yung binaril mo, namatay. Kaya murder yan. Sumagot naman yun. Hindi ka, self-defense yun. Ngayon, ikaw ngayon magpapatunay na self-defense ang ginawa mo. Sabi sa'yo, ano akusasyon? Murder yan, pinatay mo. Murder daw, sabi ng ano naman ang dapat bang sagot sana, kapatid na Rodel? Sasagot mo lang dapat, hindi yan murder. Kaya pagka ikaw ngayon halimbawa ay pinag-plead, how do you plead? Not guilty, Your Honor. What is the accusation? Babasahin sa'yo. Ito ang accusation, na ikaw ay minurder mo. So, ang kaso mo, murder. Ano ngayon ang plea mo sa arraignment? Sasabihin mo lang, not guilty, Your Honor. Di ba? Sasabihin ngayon ng how do you prove that you are not guilty? Ay, teka muna. You prove that I am guilty. Ikaw nagdemanda sa akin eh.
Tama po.
Why would I prove that I am not guilty? You prove that I am guilty. Bakit?
Opo.
You should prove that he is guilty of murder beyond a reasonable doubt. Pag sinagot mo ngayon, self-defense yun. Ibig sabihin may acceptance ka. Kaya lang, may katwiran ka, self-defense. Ikaw ngayon ang magdidepensa. Patutunayan mo, sasabihin ngayon sa iyo noong nagdemanda, patunayan mo na self-defense ang ginawa mo. Di ikaw nagpapatunay, nabaligtad ang istorya.
Opo, kuya.
Dapat yung nagdidemanda, ikaw ang magpatunay na murder ang ginawa niya. Nakita na binaril. Teka muna, yun lang ba ang element ng murder? Tandaan mo, Brother Rodel, ang murder, may elements yan. Kailangan may premeditation. Kailangan, andyan dyan lahat dapat yon. So you should prove all the elements of murder is present. Hindi dahil nakita mo lang binaril. Yun na, evidence mo na kagad na murder yung ginawa. Diba, kapatid na Rodel?
Opo.
Pero pag ang sasagot mo, teka muna, ano yan? Yan ay self-defense. Di ikaw ngayon magpapatunay na self-defense. Naintindihan mo, kapatid na Rodel. Ano ibig
Opo,
sabihin? Kaya nga yun isang bagay, tignan mo, eto istorya. Kaya ako sinasabi yan, kapatid na Rodel. Ganito, basahin mo yung 18 ng Juan at 19, kapatid na Rodel.
Opo.